Feeling stressed, tired, unmotivated? Here's one simple fix. Walk or jog. Every step you take boosts your mood, improves your heart health, and clears your mind. It's free, it's easy, and it works wonders physically and mentally. You don't need a gym membership. You don't need fancy shoes. Just you, the open road, and a little determination. Start with 10 minutes a day. Let nature heal you. Let movement strengthen you. Remember, healthier, happier you starts with a single step. So, walk, jog, move, because your body deserves it, your mind needs it, and your future self will thank you. Jogging isn't just about burning calories. It's a full body, full life upgrade. It strengthens your heart, sharpens your mind, reduces stress, and helps you sleep better at night. Jogging improves your stamina, tones your muscles, and even boosts your confidence. Yes, confidence. Because when you show up for yourself, you start to believe in yourself. And here's the best part. Jogging releases endorphins, your body's natural happy hormones. So the more you jog, the better you feel. Whether it's 10 minutes or 30, fast or slow, just move. Because every step brings you closer to a stronger, healthier, and happier you. Still wondering if jogging is worth it? Let's talk about people who proved it is. Famous actor Will Smith uses jogging not just for fitness, but for mental clarity. He says, running and reading are the keys to life. Why? Because when he runs, he builds discipline, focus, and endurance. The Oprah lost weight and kept it off through regular jogging and walking. She says it helped her feel stronger not just physically, but emotionally. Famous entrepreneur Richard Branson says jogging helps him stay energized, even with his busy schedule. It clears his mind and fuels his creativity. But it's not just celebrities, moms, dads, students, even grandparents use jogging to fight stress, overcome depression, and regain control of their health. One story that stands out is Erin, a mother of 3 who battled anxiety. She started jogging just 5 minutes a day. A year later, she completed her first 1K and said, jogging saved her mental health. Jogging isn't just a workout, it's a lifestyle, a daily decision to move forward, literally and emotionally. So if you're stressed, tired, or stuck in a routine, take that first step. Start jogging, not just to lose weight, but to gain life. Jogging is simple, but powerful. If it worked for them, it can work for you too. Jogging isn't about speed or distance. It's about showing up for your body, your mind, and your future.
Pauli na ta guys, siguro ta naabot diri. Basta makapasingot lang ta, kay wa nga tay lihok-lihok ani. Tulog pa sa dema pagikan na ako, actually 7 o'clock na in the morning, and need sa nakog sunlight kay wala man lagi tay gawas-gawas no. Usahay pod mo gawas magsakyanan, so dili ko mainitan. Moro to guys, yeah. Jogging alone. Char. Sahay mahadlok tano mag-inusara pero hindi mo ta dapat mahadlok kay na may Ginoo nag-uban sa ato o na may mga tao nga magtangka sa ato og dautan, dili na sa mag-prosper kung protected ka sa teaching or sa word ni God. Na kay faith nga ang Ginoo imong kauban, ug imong magbalantay, naman na siyang pulong, imutuhan ang pulong niya. Ang Ginoo ang ako magbalantay, walay magkulang nako. Ita dapat mahadlok. Ay usahay malamon ta sa kana bitang sistema na ay mga news feed nga patay diri patay didto, say di na tagahan mo gawas, mahadlok na ta, makonsume ta sa fear. Pero dili siya dapat kay why should we? So, I have here banana. Let us be honest sa pag-taste, ani. Kung makapasar ba.
Hey, bro, what is that?
Oh, siya bread. Okay, kainit. Wait lang. Ay, maging honest ta sa ato. Sa pag-taste na to kung ay kagamay sa ato.
Nansa man.
Murag hilaw. Paig na gali ng hilaw pa.
Wow! Ala, walang videohan.
Actually, ang sulod ani sa ilalom is puro siya
Banana.
saging.
Bro.
Dahil ang gisagol is egg o gatas. So let us try to actually ano yan now. So imuhang naong ipakita kay imong tilawan. Ikaw ang nang tilaw. Ikaw na tilaw.
Hindi ako. Ano naman kung test subject?
Test sa
Patay ka.
Ano?
Hindi daw sure, tilaw is sure.
Oh, nga na. Init pa.
Sa ilami. Ang akong nakita na ani is kamote, dayon, ang isa po is magkalabasa.
Mama!
Okay, ako. Oh. Ano daw? Oh, magluto ka agad haron na ni Kuya Ethan.
Kanyaan!
Wala mangyapon sa ugit. Kuha na ko ano? Saging.
Mararag. Ala!
Giprito. Wala, well. Kami isa.
Good night. Unsa, tilaway daw ning crunchy.
Mura man to. Ano daw, mura na ni Aaron. Ang egg man eh.
Nani ano?
Mura ning na dito, ano lang.
Done.
Thank you for watching.